This video's for me. I'm gonna put it up on YouTube, but it's mainly just so I don't lose it. So this is my mom's car. She came up here. She goes, I invited her up. I said, "You come up, I'll clean your car." It's been probably about a year and a half or 2 years since I've even touched it. So I didn't polish it this time because I polished it last time because it was stupid rough. This time I just gave it 2 washes, clayed, synthetic clay towel in there. I clayed it, mainly the hood. The hood was like just sticky. I don't know what it was. I didn't get the top. I'm sure the top would probably be sticky. What I could reach from the ground. And I clayed all these top sections. I pretty much clayed the whole car, but if it didn't feel like it on the doors, which it didn't, I didn't even bother doing much more of the door. The back, got some drips back here. I might wipe those off in a little bit. But it's a number of years old car. It ain't like it's new. But it cleaned up nice. Like I say, the last time she was up there, I gave it the old once over, twice over. Actually, I did a 2-step correction on it. It was rough. Cleaned up her tires. I'll probably put some dressing on them in a little bit. They dried off. But what I did is, the reason I'm making the video, is I put P&S Defender on the passenger side. And it's beautifully shiny. I've already put Optimum Gloss Coat on the hood, and I am going to top that with some Hyper Seal after an hour. And this side I put DIY Details ceramic gloss. So ceramic gloss on the driver's side, P&S Defender on the passenger side, and this is going to be gloss coat on the top. Oh, and the very top has quick beads. I just sprayed up quick beads because, again, can't reach it. I'm not going to get my ladder out or nothing. Put some quick beads up there, sprayed it from front to back, and the back has quick beads. So it's a 4-coating car. Let me get these tires are nice and black. I'm gonna put some stuff on them and get them shining for. Well, that's that video for me. If you like it, awesome. If not, hey, thanks for watching. Bye.